So I pretty much just wanted to make a video on comparison to show you what this generator compares like to a truck working through an APU. I haven't done the reefer, but I guarantee you it's just as loud as the truck. And most of the people complaining, oh, that's loud, blah, 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 they're not truck drivers. They don't realize how loud a freaking International with a max force, with an idle bumped up and a fan constantly running on and off, actually loud it is. It's like being at an airport. But that's just part of being a truck driver. If you're soft and you need quiet space to sleep good, well, probably shouldn't become a truck driver. It's just like living in an apartment, renting, and complaining about your neighbor talking upstairs. Well, get yourself a house, I guess, if that bothers you. But yeah, hope you like the video, and like it or not, it is what it is. The setup works great for me. I just gotta replace the fan in this thing, so it doesn't squeal, but it's been working great for a few years. It is what it is. Later.